Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about Niod Copper Amino Isolate Serum number 3. This is a new serum that Deciem has just launched. Now I have talked about copper peptides before. I have talked about the ordinary buffet plus copper peptides 1%, and I compared it to the Niod Copper Amino Isolate Serum number 2. That video was uploaded about 4 months ago, so if you haven't seen it, I will leave it below for you as well as up here if you would like to check that out. And I also have a lot of other videos on my channel talking about peptides in general. So if you are new to my channel or you are new to peptides and you're not sure on what they can do for your skin and how to use them, definitely check out those videos as it will be very helpful. So today we're talking about the new Copper Amino Isolate Serum number 3. I'm going to compare it to number 2. I'm going to let you know what the difference is. Why did Niod come out with number 3? We're going to get right into it. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. Alright, so let's talk about copper peptides. Now, if you're somebody that is looking to introduce your skin to something new, something to treat fine lines and wrinkles as well as for prevention, then you are in the right place, because copper peptides is a great ingredient to incorporate to treat fine lines and wrinkles, but this can also help to produce new collagen as well as elastin. And copper peptides also has wound healing properties to them, so if you're somebody that experiences a compromised skin barrier from time to time, then copper peptides can really help to repair your skin barrier. Now, I believe most of us are familiar with Niod Copper Amino Isolate Serum number 2. Now, if you haven't used this before, you probably wouldn't know that this originally comes with 2 bottles. I will insert an image right here just to show you. So one bottle contains 2% GHK, which is a tripeptide. The other bottle contains a small amount of pure copper ions at a 1%. So the idea with this packaging is to mix and activate the two when ready to do so that you're creating a fresh batch right then and there. Now, once it's been created, you're now going to be left with one bottle, and that's what I have right here. The other bottle then gets recycled, or perhaps you can keep it, disinfect it, and use it for something else. Now, Niod has decided to update their number 2 to the Copper Amino Isolate Serum number 3. They are now going from 2 bottles to 1 bottle. And the reason why they have decided to do this is because they want to cut down on waste. With 2 bottles, of course, there's going to be more waste, more recycle, and of course they wanted to cut down on emissions for shipping with the packaging. So when you receive the brand new Copper Amino Isolate Serum number 3, this is how it's going to come. There's only going to be 1 bottle, and this is already mixed and activated and ready to go. Now, even though I really liked the 2 bottle method with activating and mixing, the reason why I liked that is because you're creating a fresh batch right then and there. I really like that method. I'm not gonna lie, I really do. I like that with vitamin C's as well. But with the new packaging, I can completely understand with what they did. They are taking one step further to make sure that they are not contributing to emissions and waste all around the world, and I can respect that, and I really do appreciate that. Now, the number 3 also comes in 2 sizes, so you can purchase a 15 ml size as well as a 30 ml size, which is what I have here. The pricing is the exact same as number 2, and this also feels the exact same on my skin as number 2 because this is the same formula. This makes my skin feel so soft and smooth. It also keeps my skin very moisturized and hydrated, and this feels incredible on the skin. And when you pair this up with other serums, it feels even better. This is probably one of my favorite serums by Niod. I have a lot of favorites, but this is definitely one of them. And this one, compared to the ordinary buffet plus copper peptides 1%, they're very similar, but the ingredients in the Niod line are more advanced, which is why the Niod line is more expensive. But the ordinary buffet plus copper peptides is also really effective. I also really like it, and I do use it from time to time. Now, this can be used every day, twice a day if you want to, but according to Deciem, there are some ingredients that you should be careful when pairing with copper peptides. And the one is vitamin C or strong antioxidants, because this can actually render the effects of both products. And sometimes, depending on what skin type you have, this pairing can also be irritating as well. The other ingredients that you shouldn't pair up with copper peptides would be exfoliating acids like glycolic, lactic, salicylic acid, mandelic acid. Any of those types of exfoliating acids, you should be careful pairing those up with copper peptides for the same reason. It can render the effects of both, and it can be a little bit irritating on certain skin types as well. So when I use this more so in my evening routine. I sometimes pair this up with other types of peptides like the Ordinary Buffet or the Ordinary Argireline. I really do like using this on my neck to treat the fine lines on my neck, because when it comes to my neck area, my neck is very sensitive. I really can't use exfoliating acids on my neck, especially consistently, and there's certain types of retinols that I can't put on my neck as well. So I do like to resort to copper peptides for my neck area, and it does a really good job. Now with copper peptides, these do have a blue hue to it. The Ordinary Buffet plus copper peptides has the exact same. So I will show you what this looks like on the back of my hand. Woo, and it's running down my hand already. Bear with me here. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to redo that. Okay, let's just put that all over my hand. It is so watery. This is definitely a serum that absorbs really quickly because the texture is like water. So I'm gonna be really careful with what I do here. So that's what it looks like there. You can see how thin in texture it is. And when you spread this across your skin, it does absorb really quickly. When you're applying this to your face, you want to apply at least 4 drops for your face and 3 drops for your neck. You want to also apply this to damp skin, because this is going to spread a lot nicer and it's going to absorb a lot better as well versus applying it to a dry face. Now just applying that small amount to my hand, my skin feels instantly soft and smooth, and also feels very moisturized. I can't explain it unless you have tried the number 2 before, but this formulation is on point, and I also think that this is definitely more moisturizing than the Ordinary Buffet plus copper peptides 1%. But again, that's my own opinion and my experience with using the 2, but you can't go wrong with either one. They are both great options. But I think that the Niod Copper Amino Isolate Serum number 3 will be a better choice for the fall and winter months because it definitely feels more moisturizing. So Decium did gift this to me, just so you know. So this was sent to me through PR, but this video is based on my own opinion and experience with using it. Please let me know if you've ever tried the number 2. Did you like it, and will you be venturing out and trying the number 3 now that it's in a different packaging? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and of course I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and I'll see you guys then. Bye guys.